The square and compasses is the single most identifiable symbol of Freemasonry. Both the square and compasses are architects' tools and are used in Masonic ritual as emblems to teach symbolic lessons. Some lodges and rituals explain these symbols as lessons in conduct. For example, Duncan's Masonic Monitor of 1866 explains them as the square to square our actions, the compasses to circumscribe and keep us within bounds with all mankind. However, as Freemasonry is non-dogmatic, there is no general interpretation for these symbols that is used by Freemasonry as a whole. In English-speaking jurisdictions, the square and compasses are often depicted with the letter G in the center. The letter is interpreted to represent different words jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Among the most widely accepted interpretations are that stands for God, and is to remind Masons that God is at the center of Freemasonry. In this context, it can also stand for Great Architect of the Universe. In a different context, the letter stands for geometry, described as being the noblest of sciences, and the basis upon which the superstructure of Freemasonry is erected. Use of the symbol by other fraternal bodies. The square and compasses has used as a symbol by several organizations, sometimes with additional symbols. The Order of Free Gardeners, which adds an open pruning knife within the square and compasses. The Junior Order of United American Mechanics, which adds an almond hammer within the square and compasses. The Independent United Order of Mechanics, which retains the symbol unchanged. The Royal Black Institution, which uses the symbol unchanged. Carpenters Company of the City and County of Philadelphia uses the square and 3 sets of compasses in its arms. The Philadelphia arms are similar to the City of London Livery Company, the Worshipful Company of Carpenters, the Incorporation of Wrights and Masons, Edinburgh Trades. The Wright symbol is the square and compasses in a different configuration from the traditional Masonic one. Wright is the Scottish and Northern English term for a carpenter. The arms of the former Allen Glen's School, still used by the School Club and Independent Rugby Club, incorporate a square and compasses in a similar configuration to the Edinburgh Wrights. Allen Glen was a Wright by trade.